And these are some interesting clouds. It's 8:53 a.m. Tuesday, November 5th, 2019 here in coastal Virginia, looking east. And we just had the rain start to clear out. It was raining this morning. It was a nice little rain though. Not too bad out here. East, southeast, southeast. See the sun peeking through there. Right there. Not bad, not bad. I forgot what they said the cloud ceiling is this morning. I looked at it. I think it was 4,000 feet, but I'm not positive. I've seen it as high as 38,000 feet, which is interesting. Okay, that's all for now. Until the next video.